Hey guys, so today we're going to look at the Hamilton Beach microwave oven. It has 10 power levels, 6 quick menu settings, it's child safe lockout feature, has a kitchen timer, weight and time defrost, and an LED display. I just wanted to overview this product. I'm not getting paid to do this, but I like to see what products look like before I buy them. That's the purpose of this overview. So let's just see what comes in the box. So you get one of these and a little tray to put it on. Boy, that's little compared to what I'm used to. This was about $60 at Walmart. I'm gonna put this to the side because, just a minute. Just because I'm so rough with things that I might end up breaking it. Take that off. I'm just gonna turn this thing upside down. And I'm in a high area, see? So what I'm gonna do is just take the box and turn it on its side and then turn it upside down. I found that's the best way to take things out of these boxes. The true test will be if my cup fits in there. What else does it come with? So it's upside down, obviously. Let me turn it. It's really not that heavy. I'm gonna have to go get my cup. So that's kind of pretty. I like things in my kitchen to be red. So it's a good size. I saw it on display at the store. And so that's kind of weird. They have a Walmart sticker back here. But it must be made for Walmart. It's a Hamilton Beach. Specifically made for Walmart. How funny is that? And we're going to plug it in. Take the tape off of this little thing. Comes with a book. Have to read that and tell you all about it. And let's put this in here. I want to see if my cup fits in here. That's the most important thing. I like that it's red. And then it has tape all around here. I'm gonna have to take those tapes off. All right, let me take, oh, my cup does fit in there. Perfect. Let's see. Oh, had it upside down, so, and then how they have the books so they can save paper. So it says, do not operate appliance if it's damaged or the cord or plug is damaged. This appliance should be serviced only by a qualified professional. Do not cover or block any openings on the appliance. Do not store the appliance outdoors. We're outdoors, but we're not storing it. Do not immerse the cord or plug in water. Keep cord away from heated surfaces. It says, read all instructions before. So it says, read all instructions before using the appliance. Read and follow the specific fire precautions to avoid possible exposure to excessive microwave energy. That's found on page 5. This appliance must be grounded. Connect only to properly grounded outlet. Installer locate the appliance only in accordance with the provided installation instructions. Some products, such as whole eggs and sealed containers, like closed glass jars will possibly explode. Use this appliance only for intended use which is described in the manual. Do not use corrosive chemicals or vapors in this appliance. As with any appliance, use close supervision. It says do not operate appliance if it's damaged or the cord is damaged or the plug is damaged. This appliance should be serviced only by a qualified professional. Do not cover or block any openings. Do not store this appliance outdoors. Do not immerse cord or plug in water. Keep cord away from heated surfaces. Do not let the cord hang over any table or counter. When cleaning the surfaces between the door and the oven that come together upon closing, use a mild, non-abrasive soap. To reduce the risk of fire, do not overcook food. Remove wire twist ties from any paper or plastic. If the material inside the oven ignites, keep the door closed, turn off oven, and disconnect the power cord. Do not use the cavity for storage purposes, and liquids such as coffee or water tea are able to be overheated beyond boiling point without appearing to be boiling. Visible bubble or boiling when the container is removed from the microwave is not always present. So this could result in a very hot liquid suddenly boiling over. This appliance is intended for household use only. And then let's see what it says on page 5. So on page 5, how to test for a microwave safe dish. To determine if a dish is microwave safe, place the dish in a microwave along with a glass measuring cup filled with 1 cup of water. Microwave for 1 minute or on high, and then carefully fill the dish. If it's warm, it's not microwave safe. Wow, I didn't know that. The microwave term for sparks in this oven caused by metal. Arcing will occur if metal's put in there. Upturned edges of foil not wrapped around the food. Metals in the microwave such as twist ties, meat pins, or metal rim dishes will arc, and recycled paper towels in the microwave can contain small metal flakes. So, materials for use in microwaves are browning dishes, dinnerware, glassware, oven cooking bags, paper plate and cups, paper towels, parchment paper. Avoid these and other hazards for the following use of safe materials in the microwave. Thermometers. All of this has to be microwave safe. You can use wax paper. Materials to avoid in the microwave are metal, dishes with metallic trim, recycled paper products, brown paper bags, non-heat resistant glass, non-microwave safe plastics, and food storage bags and metal ties. So, and these ones can be used. These type of containers can be used. Browning dishes, dinnerware, glassware, oven cooking bags, paper plates and cups, paper towels, parchment paper, plastic wrap, thermometers that are microwave safe, and wax paper. Okay guys, so let me take this plug off and plug it in. It's getting kind of hot out here. I should have came out here a little earlier. Anyway, this won't take long. Okay guys, so the cord is a little over 3 feet. That seems a little short to me, but might be standard. And this opening is about 7.5 inches. That's from the tray edge to the top. So, that's pretty good. Okay, so my cup fits in there. It has presets for baked potato, popcorn, pizza, beverage, frozen dinners, reheat. Here's how to set the clock, time, cooking time, kitchen timer. So it has a timer, defrost by time, by weight, and you can select a power level. And it has 10 different power level settings. You can also select this button for 30 seconds. I like that. Express cook. So let's just warm up my beverage and start. Okay guys, so it's ready. All right. Oh yeah, I like it. So I'll be right back, and let me go put this in the space that I have provided for it. Okay guys, we're gonna set the clock, and so we're gonna set it to 2:05. So we're gonna push the clock button. We're gonna say 2:05. And then I guess we set it. All right, let's hope that works. Let's see. It seems like that worked. So, nope. Let's see. 2:05. Start, maybe. See if that works. It seems like that worked. So you hit the clock button, you put the time in, 2:05, and then just hit that start button, and that held it. Okay, like my new microwave, guys, and it's red. I like red in my kitchen. Have a good day, guys. Bye.